Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Pixel 8 Pro and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in the general section we have to scroll down to find the security and privacy. Now let's scroll down to find more security and privacy settings, and then scroll in order to find encryption and credentials. Let's tap. As you can see, almost at the very bottom of the list, we've got the option we're looking for, so let's simply tap on it and confirm it with OK. Not only we've got this information, but also this clear credentials option is inactive, which simply means that we just successfully removed the certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.